Can you share any success stories of customers who've achieved remarkable results using the Grower Solution greenhouses?
Wow, yeah. I've got a lot of people that I can think of just locally in our community here in Middle Tennessee that maybe they bought their first greenhouse. I can think of one guy right now, two guys right off the top of me, bought their first greenhouse from us, have bought multiple greenhouses and ranges from us since then. Started out just raising one guy started out raising hanging baskets and bedding plants, and now he's retired from his main job, and he and his family do this full time. It's a very, very successful business. The other gentleman I was thinking of, he's primarily into produce. He's done some hanging baskets, but he does produce. He does a huge amount of tomatoes. He even does green beans in high tunnels, which there is a big demand for green beans that are pole beans in this area. Yes, they're pretty costly to do. He's even done sweet corn in tunnels just to be able. Remember, we talked about earlier how to extend the growing season on each end. 6 weeks on each end, and really on the back end, if you're heating, you can get probably 8 to 10 weeks on the back of it.